Hello everyone, we are going to share with you today unboxing of one item which called LED light, multicolor LED light. Here is my friend is opening the box from Amazon. Charger, power source, what is that?
Remote controller.
Remote controller.
And the strip.
And here is the strip. All the strip is rolled there inside.
Open it.
Nice package.
Good quality, huh? Oh, 2 on 2.
There is two strip inside, which was a surprise for my friend who ordered this one. So we didn't know that there is two inside, and which actually a good thing. I don't know if this is.
I bought 2 because
If this is
I
a
thought
mistake.
it's 1 strip only, so I have 4 now. You can't take it.
Good. So you see, he's going to give me one.
But they only have 1 charger
And here is one charger.
and wireless.
Oh, so it is like an extension if you want more.
This is Wi-Fi module. You can connect your computer.
Okay. As you see here, it is Wi-Fi, so you can control it with your phone. And for sure, there is one software you should have, or you should install it on your phone. And the length here, as you can see, is 6 by 10 meters.
10 meters. So
10
20
millimeter,
meters.
Yeah, no, 6 meter by 10 millimeter.
6 meters. So 12 meters.
Yeah, it is 12 meters total, both extension, and actually it is there. There is one
Nice
female
remote control.
and one male with the other one, so you can wire it together to have 12 meters. Okay, I will show you now how the strip is. It's LED light, and it is actually, there is some strips are there, so you can cut it there, and you can stick it on anything. This surface can be sticked on anything. This is the remote controller.
And the
So
Wi-Fi
here
module.
you can choose any light,
Be careful, there's some.
on, off, white, green, red, all type of colors and all level brightness there. Type, flashing, strobe, fade, smooth, always there. Here is the manual. قاعد نختار في الالوان. شو هذا اصفر، نورمال مو اصفر هو. حطه وايت، اوف، اون، قوي في البرايتنس. green, rose, yellow is not that clear. Yellow, flash, يتغير بشوي بشوي واحد. حركات، أجواء، ديسكوتيك.
خلاص.